Okay. We are on air.
Oh, good.
Well, we can just start by pulling up the quiz.
Okay.
Or if anyone had any questions they want to talk about before.
No. I don't think so. That's so weird. Did you guys see that alumni spotlight on our chapter? I don't think I've ever seen that before.
No. Wait, where? I don't understand.
Like at the very bottom of our chapter, like reading online.
Oh, whoa. Yeah.
Hello, random dude.
Oh, yeah. I never caught that.
Funny.
Yeah, interesting. Okay. All right, cool. Do you guys have it pulled up, the quiz?
Yeah.
It is loading. It is coming. Start quiz. Yes.
Okay, cool. Okay, when calculating anything, please remember to round to 3 decimal places unless otherwise specified. Do not round until your calculation is complete. The total area under a normal distribution curve must equal
1.
Yes. Under certain circumstances, a normal distribution curve can drop below the x-axis.
I'd say false because it doesn't have to lie on or above.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Normal distribution curve is symmetric.
True, right?
Yeah.
I think so.
Ah, this is easy.
Yeah, this is a lot easier than last week's. Okay. Which of the following elements of the figure represents the z-score? Let me pull up the list. Isn't that the middle?
Yeah.
Like, is it A?
I didn't grab his other 2 shirts. Oh, I hope that's not why. This is a z-score.
I feel like for some reason I was under the impression that it was like in the middle, but maybe I misunderstood.
So would it be none of these then? Because based on the chapter, that's what it is the middle. The A is referencing 2 different parts. I don't know, but also in the chapter, it shows like the 1.00. Next to it says z-score, and that's what C is pointing to.
Yeah.
So would it be C?
Hey. Chase, do you remember how to find the z-score? Oh, okay. My husband took this class last semester, but he doesn't remember.
I think it is C.
I'm gonna put C.
Yeah.
I'm feeling, the more I looked at the other pictures, I'm thinking it's C.
Okay.
What of the following elements of the figure represents the probability that the z-score will be greater than 1.000?
Isn't that B?
Yeah, I think so.
Gavin.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
According to the 68, 95, 99.7 rule, what percentage of the data from a bell-shaped distribution will be within one standard deviation of the mean? Write your answer as percentage. Like this is what I was talking about, Mikkel, with the quiz.
Oh.
Stuff like that. But it didn't say that like that in the quiz. It's like at the very top where questions are written where I didn't read. So write your percentage as okay. So I was kind of confused on this section, like when I was like reading and watching the video, especially because it had something like the mean minus or plus the number of standard deviations times the standard deviation, or is that how you'd solve for it?
I'd have no clue.
I go home to him eating one of my giant oatmeal cream pies. I was like, "There's still my oatmeal cream pies." He's like, "Oh, yeah." So
Put my headphones. Okay, sorry. I don't know how to do this.
I don't
Oh,
either.
wait. Oh, wait. Okay, so according to the 68, 95, 99.7 rule, what percentage of the data from a bell-shaped distribution will be within one standard deviation of the mean? The chapter says for any bell-shaped distribution, 68% of the data will lie within one standard deviation of the mean. So isn't it just 68? Isn't it just asking which one of those is one standard deviation?
I think you're because like the 95 is the 2.
It's not asking us to actually calculate anything.
Oh, I'm like overthinking.
I totally thought it was too. I was like, wait, what? I don't understand what we're calculating with, though. I was like, what?
I'm so glad you're so smart, Kylie, because I was confused. Okay.
I would have been stuck on this question for such a long time.
And I was like, I don't understand what it's asking us. And then I read it like 3 more times. I was like, wait, we're stupid.
So it's just 68.
I think so.
Yeah. Let's try it. Okay. Suppose that z-scores come from a standard normal distribution. Use the normal probability applet to answer this question. What proportion of the z-scores will be between -1 and 1? Give your answer as a decimal to the nearest 303, whatever. Okay. 100, yeah. Okay. Pull up this little chart.
Oh, it's just like the one that we had before.
Yeah.
Not written all over. Okay. -1 and 1. Oh. Oh, if you touch the like the chart thingy, the normal probability applet, it changes. Like if you touch within an area, the area changes. Just to let you guys know, I was confused on that.
You can move the z-scores too. You can drag the z-scores and move them.
Okay, so if the area is between -1 and 1, or we're finding the area, right? Between -1 and 1?
So then I need to write this -1 instead of, and then 1. So the area would be like the 0.3173, but then he just wants to run to 3 decimal places, right? So it would just be the 0.317.
Oh, wait, I think you want to highlight the part in blue in order to. Yeah. So put the middle part in blue and the other two white.
Oh, so the 0.683.
I think so.
I got 0.6827. Yeah, so we'd round up to 3.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. That's so nice. I didn't even notice that changed. It does it for us.
Oh, so now it just wants -2 and 2.
So now we just change these. Which is 0.9970.
Oh,
wait, no. I got. Okay, there.
0.954.
Yeah, sorry.
So 0.955.
Oh. 4. Do you round it up or do you round it down? Because 4 and 1 are both less than 5. Would it be 454?
So since the 5 is following the 4, you would round up.
Okay.
So it should be 0.955.
Okay, cool. I trust you. I just second guess myself. Okay.
Well, this is a lot nicer.
Okay, so this one's in 3 and -3.
Yeah. So I got like 0.9973, so 0.997.
Yeah.
Okay. Look carefully at your answers to the last 3 questions. What do you observe? The value matches the 68, 95, 99.7. As the z-scores increase, the area between z and z decreases. The probabilities double as you move from z1 to z2.
The top one's true.
Yeah, I can go with that. Yeah, definitely.
Yep. Cool.
I can read this one. Use the following information to answer the next 6 questions. The amount of protein that an individual must consume is different for every person. There are solid theoretical ideas that suggest that the protein requirement will be normally distributed in the population of the United States. The protein requirement in given terms of the number of grams of good quality protein that must be consumed each day per kilogram body weight. Okay, an equation. The population mean protein requirement for adults is 0.65 grams, and the population standard deviation is 0.07 grams. What proportion of the population have a protein requirement that is less than 0.6 grams?
Oh, man.
Can we just put this into a z-score calculator?
Maybe?
Into this little thing?
Maybe. I'm just wondering if you do like 0.6 and then highlight both areas less than 0.6. I don't know though.
I don't know either.
You can give it a shot if you want.
I mean, because if you scroll down, because I can read in the next few questions.
Yeah.
And question 16 says, remember that to find the area between two values, shade to the left of each z-score you calculate, then subtract the smaller area from the larger area. Make sure your answer is positive. This probability will give you a randomly selected observation that will lie between two values.
I can't. I have been terrible.
Because that one's between 0.6 and 0.7. So I feel like if you put 0.6 in as a z-score and highlight everything, I don't know. I'm willing to try it. If someone else wants to figure something else out, I could do that, and then we could see.
I'm down. It sounds like the smartest thing so far. Like I'm not sure, so I'm down for anything.
That's my best guess. So I put 0.6 in as the z-score, and I highlighted both areas less than that, and I got 0.7257. So 0.726. That's my best way of understanding this question. So if I'm wrong, I have no idea how else to do it.
I don't either. So, doesn't this have to equal, am I like tripping, or doesn't this have to equal 1, right? Is that, never mind. So like the next question, because it's asking is more than 38 or something, or is that weird? Am I not thinking the right thing?
No, I think you're right. So then I just clicked the area for the next question because this is above 0.6.
Yeah.
And so I clicked the next one. It says 0.274.
Okay.
I missed what you guys were talking about. Sorry, I had to help my husband
No, you're good.
figure out dinner. Okay, so number 13, what did we end up deciding to do?
So I just put into a z-score calculator thingy.
And
And so I point.
and that's the normal probability amplet, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
And so I put in 0.6 as a z-score and then highlighted the two that were less than that. And we got 0.726.
Okay.
And then I unhighlighted those and highlighted the other one and got 0.274, which those two should add to be 1.
1. Okay. So then would the answer to 13 be the 0.726?
Yeah, we think.
If not, I have no idea how to do it, but this is my best.
Yeah, no, it sounds very logical and correct. What proportion? And then for 14, you did the more, right? So like the
0.274.
0.274. Okay. Thank you. Am I with you guys now?
I double checked it and it does equal 1, so I think we're right. But
I think so. If not, I have no idea how to figure it out.
No, I'm almost, yeah, that sounds right. I was like reading too a little more.
And then 15, it says any with 0.7 with less than 0.7. And so I put that in, and I got 0.758.
And so you're putting like the 0.7, where exactly, like on the area?
No, I'm putting it in the z-score.
So you just put like okay, yeah, I don't know if I'm So what numbers do you put like where the Z on the left side of the Z-score?
Oh, I suck.
Sorry, I'm not sure I'm understanding your question.
Like on the left, like where it was negative on the normal probability template.
So I still have that highlighted.
Because I'm so visual, you know that. I have to like see what's going on.
So you know how you can type into the two little bottom boxes that say Z-score?
Uh-huh.
So I typed into the right-hand 1.7 or 0.6, whatever it was asking.
Okay.
And then I clicked enter, and so it moves the probability to that.
Already. Oh, okay.
And then I clicked the two blue that were to the left of it, so it would be less than 0.7. And then I got 0.758 for the area for number 15. Does that help?
Yeah, except for I got 0.4839.
Kylie, do you think you could figure out how to share your screen, maybe?
Maybe. What'd you get, Mikkel?
I think I got the same, but like,
You want to make dinner?
I just want to make sure. And then if like,
I think so.
I don't know if mine will work.
Yeah, I'm trying to see.
If you go to the left hand.
Because I go to the right, and now it's so on my Z-score is saying 0.700. And the left side is saying negative 0.
Can you see my screen?
Oh, yeah. Let me pull it
So I
up.
typed in 0.7 right here.
Uh-huh.
And then I clicked on this
Uh-huh.
and this so that they're both shaded blue. And then up here I got 0.758.
Oh, I see. I was clicking on the two outsides and not in the middle.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay, that makes sense. Thank you. Oh, cute picture.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, wait, what?
Your
With
home
who?
screen. If you enjoy, I mean, I've
Oh,
seen
you
them
saw
all,
that? Oh,
but I just saw it
I have
again.
no idea. I don't even know how screen sharing works.
I don't know, but you're
But
doing
now I'm
it.
self-conscious. So I don't know how to stop it. I'm stopping it.
Oh, I see me on your screen. Oh, not anymore. Okay.
Okay, cool. So that makes a little bit more sense.
Yeah, I'm finally following along now. Thank you.
Okay.
Now that we know the screen
now.
sharing thing, wow, that's helpful.
Yeah.
Okay, 16, right? We're all on 16?
Yep.
Okay, I can rate it. Find the probability that a randomly selected person will have a protein requirement that is between 0.6 and 0.7 GP. I don't know. Okay. Remember that to find the area between two values, shade the left of each Z-score you calculate and subtract the smaller area from the larger area. Make sure your answer is positive. This is the probability that a randomly selected observation will lie between the two values.
So we already have the two of them. We just need to subtract them.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And then, so what I, 758 minus.
I got
Minus 0.726
first.
from question 13.
Please.
Yeah.
I got 0.032.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay.
So yeah.
0.32, right?
0.032. Yeah. And that's positive, so hopefully that's correct.
0.032. Okay.
Find the 35th percentile for the protein requirements for adults. Round your answer to 3 decimal places. So 30%.
Honey, you can throw the Apple TV box when we get you.
Put it back here. It's just right on top of the Xbox. Okay, find the 35th percentile of the protein requirement. 35th percentile.
So the 35th is what? Is greater than or equal to the 35% of all the values. So oh boy.
Oh, I don't remember how to do. Is this review these two?
No, this one's in our chapter, like 3.4. Says calculating percentiles
Oh,
using
yeah.
distribution. I'm just not.
No, that's not right.
Oh,
Oh, do we just put in 0.35 in the area and have it?
click to the right of it. That's what I'm understanding.
Yeah. So 0.35.
Mine
Hey,
won't change. 0.35. Mine just goes back to the 1.
Mine's like a little bit past it. The z-score says like negative 0.093 and like not 0.935 maybe.
Oh, I see.
Like it hardly changes.
Okay, we're gonna do the screen share again because
Okay.
I'm not seeing it.
1 second. Let me
Okay.
my desktop start. Okay. So I typed in 0.3500 whatever. If you can see like right here, there's the
Mhm.
1 and it's like a little bit farther, like closer to the 0 on both ways. And then this right here changed.
Okay, so like when I entered that, so you just changed like
I
in
just,
the area first, right?
yeah, I literally just typed in point or like 0.35.
Why is mine not
35%.
changing? Mine just like,
Did you press enter after?
yeah, and it just goes to like 1.0000, like on the area. Like it just won't let me change the area.
Weird.
Okay, well that's why I'm so confused. Okay then.
Okay. So I'm assuming it's 0.935 is our answer.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm stopping the screen share.
And then the 80th.
Would be the same thing. I'll type it in real quick. 0.800. Oh dear. It's 0.253.
I'm sorry, what was on for 17?
17 was 0.935, I think. Hopefully these are right, or I'm gonna feel bad.
And then you had like the middle filled out, like or the middle part shaded and like the left side shaded, right, Mikkel?
Oh no, am I supposed to?
I'm just looking at the chapter again, and on it had like the middle part just shaded and the left part.
Okay, the middle part's shaded and the left part's supposed to be shaded. Then it's the last one is 0.5999.
Okay.
Which would round up to what, 6?
Keep them what we have, and then we can see which one is
Okay.
right. Is that okay with you guys?
Yeah.
And then I'll do the 35th again and see, because I didn't shade that one.
Because, yeah, I don't know if you see that in the reading, how like the middle is shaded and then the left is shaded.
So for the 35th, and it's 6499, which would be like 650, right?
Yeah, just 0.65.
65. Okay, hopefully that's somewhat right.
If not, then we'll go
Try it
figure
again.
it out. Okay, what was 18 again?
18 is like 0.6, but you're supposed to round to 3 decimal places, so I put 00 after it.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I just kept them as what we had previously, just
That's
to be
perfect.
safe.
Thank
Okay. Cool.
Are we ready?
you. Mm-hmm.
Submitting.
Okay.
Oh, shoot.
Did you get the last ones right, Kylie?
I got 13 and 14 and 15 wrong, and 16.
But you didn't get
Except-
17 or 18?
I got 13 through 18 wrong.
Okay, so did we. I at least.
Yeah.
Good to know.
Okay, so that was not done right. Okay, let's figure this out.
On the bright side, it was still a 70%.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Okay, so 13. On 13, I wonder if you just put it in as like the 0.6 still, right? But then you just shade the far left and not like the both sides. Or like the left and the left in the middle is what we were doing last time. But I wondered if you just shade the left. So it'd be like the 0.27. And then I kept mine up so I can help you guys with the 1, 2. If that's what, or 3 and 4. If that's what you guys are working on right now.
I'm still.
What one are you guys working on?
I'm looking at like 13 of those ones right now.
Okay. So I was thinking that maybe you still write like the 0.6 in it, but and then instead of just shading like, say if it's less, how we shaded the left side and then the center, right?
Mhm.
Maybe we just shade the left and not the center. Because that's the only side that's like the less then. Because then everything in the center was still greater than. I don't know. That makes sense.
Then the 0.6.
Yeah.
Like, because you put like 0.6 in or whatever. So, like, everything, I mean, maybe.
Yeah, I don't. Now that I said out loud, I'm not sure.
Just because it, like, I mean, I'm not sure. I don't know. This is like confusing me. I think I'm like overthinking it too much.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know, but if you look at the example of the heights of Ghanaian women, it's really similar to this example. And we did what they did, and our answers are wrong.
You know, that's what I'm looking at right now.
Should we just not like actually round it?
Oh, wait a second. Oh. So they didn't put their z-score in as, because it asks for people less than that reach at a height that is at or below 169 in the example.
Mm-hmm.
But they calculated the z-score by taking the her height. So we would take the 0.6 minus the population mean, which was 0.65, divided by the standard deviation to get the z-score, and then they did everything left of that. Does that make sense? Like up there where it shows, because their z-score, if you look in that picture, the z-score is not the 169.
Yeah, I'm trying to see. So where did they get the 159 from?
So 159 is the population mean. Whereas on our example, it says our population mean is 0.65. So her height was above the population mean.
So are you just saying like we just need to actually like plug it into this like equation almost?
I believe so. I don't know though, I could be wrong.
I don't know either. I'm not sure what to do.
Because based on the way now I think I'm understanding, I got the answer for 13 to be 0.234. Now I don't know if that's right, but
Oh, I don't know.
I don't know. Based on the chapter, that's how I'm understanding it. Don't know if that's actually correct, though.
No, that's seeming right. Like looking more into it and reading.
Yes.
And if anything, I haven't submitted mine yet, so I can try it.
So yeah.
Okay.
It's like 0.234. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Is that what you got?
For 13, yeah.
Yeah. I think that's right.
And then I believe you would just uncheck that far left and check the other two
Mm-hmm.
for question 14 where it's greater than.
Yeah. Oh, I would assume so too.
And then for 15, I got 0.7624. Also 2, yeah. 0.762.
Did you say 15 or for 14?
Sorry, 15.
Okay. What'd you guys get for 14? I think I missed that.
I got 0.762 as well.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if that's right.
It's worth it to try again.
And then what did you say you got 15 for 15, Kylie?
0.762.
The same. Okay. I think this is right. Okay, I don't know how you would do 16.
Yeah, I'm
So 16,
stuck.
I think we still do it the same as we did it before. We'll take the answer to 15 and subtract the answer of 13. So you want the difference, the area between the two?
Mm-hmm.
Since those are both less than, you have an overlap of the area between 70 and 60. And so that should give us our answer. At least based on what the chapter was saying and stuff, that's what I'm understanding.
That's what we did with the last try, right? But we
Yeah.
just didn't.
Yeah.
We just didn't have, we had different numbers last time.
Oh, okay. I didn't know if you were going
Okay. Right.
So like 0.528.
That's what I got, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, cool. And then 17 and 18. So we were both wrong. So I'm not sure how to do these then.
Okay, I was looking that up in the chapter just barely again.
Okay.
Okay, so I can read it and we can do it. Like, so the first one's 35%.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
And the second one's 80th.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll read it and we can kind of do it on the normal thingy at the same time.
Okay.
Okay, a percentile is a number such that a specified percentage of the data are at or below this number. For example, the 25th percentile is the number in a data set that is greater than or equal to 25% of all the values in the data. We can find the values of percentiles for a normal distribution by using the applet to calculate the z-score corresponding to a specified area, then plugging that z-score into our z-score equation, solving for x. So that's probably where we messed up, is the z-score equation. Following instructions show how to find the 90th percentile of the distribution of batting averages. So I'll just change it to 35th for this one.
Mm-hmm.
First, we need to find the z-score that corresponds to the 35th percentile. Click on the areas under the curve until only areas left of the positive z-score are shaded blue. So the two to the left. Type the desired area or percentile into the top of the graph. So that would be 0.35. The z-score corresponding to this area will be displayed in the bottom right box. So I click enter and it doesn't show anything in the, like it unhighlights the middle box for me.
Yeah, me too. Because like I have 0.35, right? 0.35.
Mm-hmm.
And then I have the left box clicked and everything's at like right now it's the 0.385. And I click the middle and the area changes to 0.6499.
So maybe since 35 is below 50, that's why it's only on the left-hand box. Because 90 is a really high percentile.
Yeah.
So, I mean, I'll just go with it so that we would get negative 0.385. 0.385 is our number. Okay. So z equals negative 0.0385 is the z-score that corresponds to the 35th percentile of a normal distribution. How do we find what the average of whatever the question is that corresponds to the 90th percentile? We can solve for x in the equation for the z-score. We know z is negative 0.385. Their u is, I'm trying to figure out what their u is.
Looks like 2.26. What is it?
What's their u?
Well, it says it's like 0.261, but I don't know where they got that.
Above that, that's their mean. U is the mean. So we'll have to go back up to that first problem, look what our mean is.
Okay.
And then the O is their standard deviation, I believe.
Yeah.
Yeah. And so we have to look at what our O is.
I'm trying to.
So
Okay, looks like right before question 13, it says the mean population mean protein requirements for adults is 0.65.
okay.
I think, because then it goes grams p times kilograms -1 to the d -1.
Yeah, that thing. I don't think we have to worry about that.
Okay, that's what I thought. So 0.65. Then the population standard deviation is 0.07.
07.
Yeah.
Okay, so then the equation is, for us, would be negative 0.385 equals x minus 0.65 divided by 0.07. So then we should just have to solve for x.
Okay.
The times both sides by 0.07. Did you guys get negative 0.0? Is it negative 0.02695 equals x minus 0.65?
The 0.65, what is that what you said?
What?
Say it one more time, Kylie. What did you get?
So after multiplying both sides by 0.7 to get rid of that fraction, I got negative 0.062 or 0.2695 equals x minus 6.5.
Oh.
Then you would add 0.65 to both sides. So I got x as 0.623 for 17.
Did you write that all out on a piece of paper? Is that what you were doing?
Yes.
Can I see it?
And using my calculator. Yes. It's kind of very sloppy.
No.
Very, very sloppy. Okay. So it's like this down part right here. I don't know. I'm willing to try it and see if they're right, and then let you guys know.
Yeah, here, I can try it because I didn't submit mine first. Okay. Thanks,
Oh,
Kylie.
well. I mean, I can do the 80th percentile as well.
Yeah, let's do that one too. I'm still like processing this all. Sorry, I haven't talked much, but
No, you're okay.
I'm just thinking.
I did get a score for 18.
I'm sorry, what was that?
I got a score for 18 if you guys want to know what I got.
Yeah.
Sure.
So for 18, I got 0.709 when you round.
You just followed the exact same formula you just did, right?
Just within
Okay.
2 Z's, so. But
Yeah.
it was the same exact formula.
Okay.
Okay, I'm submitting it to see. Oh, well, I got 11 wrong, but 13 still wrong with the 0.234.
Mm-hmm.
So that's incorrect. 14 is right, 15 right, 16 right, 17 right, 18 right.
How did we get
So
13 wrong?
13 wrong if you got the rest right.
That's what
I
I'm
think
wondering.
that's weird.
And why did I get 11 wrong?
What did you put for 11?
0.977.
It's 997, I think.
Oh. Okay.
What was, I don't even remember what question 13 was.
13 was let me find it. What's the
I'm pretty sure I
proportion of the population that have a protein requirement that's less than 60? Or like 0.6.
I don't get why that's wrong, but yet we got like
the one where you subtract, right? Number 16.
yeah, 16
Yeah.
right.
Very confused. Kylie, do you remember what we put on 13 the first time?
Oh boy, no. I just canceled out of mine too.
So it's 0.234. That's not what, because I could definitely have made a mistake like I did on 11. That's what you guys, or is that what you guys have?
Wait, what'd you say for 13?
0.234.
That's what I have like written down. I haven't submitted it yet though.
That's what I've written down.
Okay, so that's incorrect.
I'm wondering because it's like up to 60%, right? That is less than 60. But would it still go like up to like 60, like on the graph? Like, or like 0.06? So like when you find it, when you put like 0.6 in the area, right? And then you shade the left that's negative because that's less than 0.6. And the middle because it's still kind of less than 0.6 because your thing moves. I want it to be 0.524. But I feel like that's what we put the first time.
Okay, 13. Portion of population that is less than 0.6. I don't even remember the equation anymore. I'll get back up. Wait, I got something different this time.
Okay.
So for 13 this time I got 0.238.
Well, that would probably still work to give us the right answer on 16 too, for minusing and then we were rounding.
.238.
I'll try it. If you want.
If anything, you'll get one of them wrong. Just one wrong.
Okay, let's go. 13. Yeah, 13's right. 0.238. Melissa, do you need me to like read you any of the answers?
Maybe.
Okay. Let me know. I've got mine pulled up, so.
Yeah, I'll hurry and do it again.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay. I just don't, I mean, we did them and I can go back through and recalculate them. But just to be sure, because I don't want to recalculate them. So for 3, we have 1.
Mm-hmm.
4 is false.
Yep.
Oh, freeze. I'm not there yet.
Okay.
It's being slow. Okay.
You want a spinach smoothie? No.
3, we said 1. 4 is false. I'm with you now.
Okay. 5 is true.
Mm-hmm.
6, we got SC, right?
Yep.
7B.
Yeah.
8, 68
Mm-hmm.
or 0.68.
Yeah. I put 68. I got it right.
Okay, 68. 9. This is the one that I didn't want to recalculate, but I can. Was it 0.6?
Mine is 683. 0.683.
683.
And then 10 is 0.955. And then 11 is 0.997. And then 12, the values match is 68, 95, 97, or 99.7.
And 13 is 0.238.
Yeah.
14.762.
Mm-hmm.
762.
Yeah.
Same with 15.
And same with 15. 16.528.
Yeah.
Okay, what was 16? Sorry.
528. 0.528, sorry.
Okay.
And you got that right for 16?
Yeah, I did.
Just funny because the answer for 13 wasn't right. But
Oh, so weird. And then 17, 6.623. And then 18 was 0.709 or 709.
Okay.
0.709, right?
Yep.
Yay.
Cool.
Perfect. Okay, well, I have to go, but I will
Yeah, me too.
meet on Tuesday.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Okay. Sounds great. Good luck
Sounds
tomorrow,
good.
Kylie.
Thanks.
Bye.
Let me know how it goes. I
Bye.
have to take my next
I
one.
will. No, geez. Okay, bye.
Bye.